Welcome to your very own private backyard resort.
Now this is 108 Pink Camellia Lane here in Lexington, South Carolina, in the neighborhood SpringHill Lake, which has its own resort-style pool, clubhouse, catch and release fishing pond, but we're just minutes away from beautiful Lake Murray as well, so you can get out on your boat or your jet skis and enjoy everything about Lake Murray.
But let's get back to your own private oasis. Check this out. This is an amazing gunite pool that the owners installed. It's an 18 by 38. I love the fact they have different platforms, but it has the sports deep center here. So it's amazing to have the deep center with the shallow on each side. Now this pool has a beautiful pull-out cover. What great expense that the owners did. But that is going to be a great way to always maintain your pool.
That's right, that'll keep it covered up in the wintertime, but check out this travertine. This isn't concrete right here. This is actual travertine, which is expensive stuff. It's cool to your feet as well, so your feet aren't going to burn. You're not going to be running out from this porch right here behind us, jumping in because that concrete's so hot. This is going to be cool and amazing. But the current owner, he wanted to make sure he had a flat backyard, so this backyard has been completely renovated with this pool, bringing in dirt, flattening it out, palm trees, landscaping, not to mention the beautiful patio we have when you come out of the house.
Now you're going to notice right away is a 3-car garage, which is very hard to find, but this home features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, great open concept, but you're going to see how it leads out to this beautiful oasis.
That's right, so head on inside and experience this home. We'll see you soon.
Wow, wasn't that a huge house? We knew it was going to be a lot to cover for you today, but I just love the soaring ceilings, the open flex room, loft area upstairs, and you can't beat all the bedrooms and the space to accommodate everyone.
That's right, and then not to mention coming out here and having this here, plus having that 3-car garage. It's so rare in this town to find a 3-car garage house with a pool, but not to mention the attention to detail in this backyard. Like we were talking about how he leveled it out, travertine, huge pool, deep in the center, so much places for you to have fun here and enjoy living here in Lexington, South Carolina, near Lake Murray. So give us a call, we'd love to talk to you about it. Thank you.
Thank you.